Hello, this is old Mr. Kent of MrKent.com, and I'm trying this. I'm still in the testing stage of using my microphone on my um, Tripltek tablet. I always have trouble with that, as you could probably tell if you've been following my channel. And I forgot to start talking when I took off, so that's how it goes. Well, we're going to go down here. I saw some changes to the construction site down here that's not too far from our house. And so I thought, go take a look at what's going on there. And there's a tower I have to be careful of. It's slightly lower than I am, plus it puts out radiation. So we'll slow down here, take a look at what we've got going. Looks like there's guys down there working this morning. They've got a trench all along the back of it. Let's go ahead and zoom in just a little bit. There, that's better. So let's take a look at some of the stuff they've done. They've got some stacks of cinder blocks, it looks like. They're building a cinder block wall there. I believe that's what that is. And that's all along there. And then over here across the field, they're doing, I believe this is going to be a commercial site because of how they're doing things. A lot of black pipe there. I don't know exactly what the black pipe's for. I know green pipe is for sewage and blue pipe is for fresh water. But yeah, they've got that trench, and then let's do this. Let's go, let's see, let's go this way. This is the side, you probably hear the traffic. This is the side that we see when we drive along this road. And they've got that cinder block fence, and they've got, well, actually, it goes down in, that cinder block goes down into a trench, as you can see. So far, I have no idea what it is what they're working on. What they're doing there is, if you look, you can see they're filling up that water truck with that hose from the fire extinguisher, fire hydrant. And so I don't know, maybe
fly cautiously.
Oh, we got a plane flying over close by. Anyway, I don't know why they've got that dropped down there, except that maybe that's going to be for flood prevention or something. But and there's another one over there, and it's down in a trench. What I'm doing with testing is I'm trying to find the best way to get the best sound.
Fly cautiously.
Yep. There's DJI Dorothy telling me how to fly. Anyway, I'm when you get an audio file all done, if it's good, then you just use it. But this doesn't sound quite right to me, so I'm using my free Audacity program, which you may be familiar with, to go in and try to edit the audio so it sounds pleasant. And then I also use a free video editor called Kdenlive, Kdenlive. I don't know how they came up with that name, but anyway, I use that, and that's how I do my videos. And Kdenlive is such a powerful program that it slows down my computer, but that's okay. Well, let's see. That's about all there is to see, I think, on this trip, as far as I can tell. Now go ahead and zoom out, and then if we look across the way over this direction, there's a whole lot of places for houses there. And you can see they're working on that area. Not building anything that I can tell yet. We're going to find out if the traffic going by is causing us any grief. Get this down here, and we had some really strange weather. Let's see, I'm going to put this into normal mode, and then we can get home. That's where we're headed. Anyway, we had some really strange weather and a storm the other day, and I made a video following that, and we've had pretty good weather ever since then. This is the monsoon season here in this area in Arizona, I guess you could say. So we've looked at that site before, and there's coming right along building houses. And so I guess we'll just head on back. That's still a farm field there. It's kind of unusual, huh? So we'll go on back here, and we'll go up this road, and pretty soon we'll come to where we took off from. And so we'll put this into cinematic mode and start dropping down. I don't want to hit those power lines. I guess we'll just not put it into cinematic mode until we get there. Now's a good time to switch. We'll turn around here. And come on in and land. When I look up in the air, I think that's when my voice goes kind of crazy. Let's see, we'll get this up here like this. And we'll zoom in just a little bit. And I want to thank you for watching my videos, and God bless.